Ever wonder why cracking your knuckles is so satisfying? And is there any real benefit, or is it harmful, with some people claiming that it can cause arthritis? Well, when you crack your knuckles, you're not damaging your bones. What you're actually hearing is gas bubbles in the fluid around your joints rapidly collapsing, which causes your brain to give a little burst of dopamine. But now for the big question, can cracking your knuckles actually cause arthritis? Well, in 1948, a doctor named Donald Unger cracked the knuckles on his left hand at least twice a day for 50 years, but never cracked the knuckles on his right hand. He then compared the condition of his hands. At the end of the experiment, he found no difference between the two hands.